We should be fishing, but we're herping.
Can't beat it. Hello, Double O crew. Welcome to Obsession Outdoors. Back out here with Roy from Herping, Pennsylvania, at one of my favorite childhood spots, fishing. It's about time we get the rods in the water, put the herping stuff away for the next month or two, and fish our brains out. So immediately, first cast, Roy's on. Smallmouth? Yeah. Nice. Roy wanted to get on some smallmouth, so this is the best smallmouth stream that I know of, and I wanted to bring him out to experience how amazing this stream is. And first cast, he already got himself a little smallie. Let's look at it real quick. There we go. Pretty nice. Little smallmouth.
Nice colors.
Gorgeous pattern. Hopefully we'll get a couple bigger than that today, guys. We got live bait right now. What was that on? Just a little white twister?
Yeah,
tail?
just a little twister.
Yeah. So we're gonna throw some lures until we get to the deeper holes, and then we're gonna throw in some live bait and try for the bigger smallmouth. Yeah, there's some pretty big fall fish in here. Nice. One again?
Another smallmouth. No.
Fall fish.
Yeah, see, I thought I saw one before.
Multi-species. Cool.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's the third species. Ready. Oh, there he goes. Not the most picturesque release.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice one.
Had a hook in my mouth. Yeah, that's a
better one.
That's a decent one for this little stretch down here. Look at the ones chasing him. See the smallmouth chasing him?
Yeah.
See, if I was tied up right now, I could do a follow-up cast.
You could get right behind it.
Yeah, I could do a follow-up cast and catch that one that was chasing.
That's a nice fish.
That's awesome. Love it.
You know, he looked a lot bigger, but
Yeah, they always do.
he hit like a great thing. Come on, buddy. Hey.
The one that was following him looked a little bigger than he was, for sure.
Yeah, I mean, it's a 10-inch fish, maybe.
Yeah.
Probably.
So I said it's about average of what you get out of here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna grab that corn.
There we go. Oh, different one.
Nice. Got you behind the rock. Nice red breast.
They hit like a freight train.
Oh yeah, they fight for their size, pound for pound. They fight super hard. One of the hardest fighting fish. Most sunfish species are like that.
Big ones, yeah.
We get in the water and try to catch a fish. Roy's already caught like 12, and I haven't even gotten in the water yet. Come here, buddy. First fish of the day for me, finally. Swing man. Little fall fish. That's the target species, just not quite the size I'm after. There we go. Here, do it. Oh, never mind. Too far away. I was gonna have him do a follow-up cast because there was like 7 fish following this one. Another fall fish. Try to get in here without spooking anything. There we go. Ready? Net. I think I dropped it in. Swing me. All right. See ya. I was gonna say you're probably hit already. That's a nice one. Best one of the day. Swing him up, drop him in the net. Cool. Got him.
Nice little guy.
Awesome. Oh, you got one? Nice. Try a follow-up cast right where he just was. There we go. We're gonna bounce around hole to hole here and yeah. Swing me. Awesome. What's up?
Get that one a little further out?
No, just right where you caught yours. I threw it in as soon as you caught yours because I knew there'd be one there. You know how they chase each other. About 10 seconds later, he hit it. I'm gonna poke at him a little bit with this rod. Here he comes, here he comes, he's coming out. He's out, he's out, he's out.
I got him. Snake removal 101!
Oh, there's a really pretty small one down in there.
That's the one I was trying to get.
All right, ready? The small one's coming, small one's coming. He's out, he's out, he's out.
I got that one too. Quick, help me. I got him by his little coleca. Get him right there,
Got
right there.
Got him.
He's gonna bite you.
Oh, he's in shed.
Double
Right,
snakes.
stop biting, buddy, stop it.
We're the best. We should be fishing, but we're herping.
Can't beat it.
Pissed.
Yeah, we're out here fishing, guys. And we came to traditional snake rock is what we call it. And there's always,
for fishing.
yeah, there's always a few of these beautiful banded water snakes up in this rock. So we figured we hit it and see if they were here. And sure enough, and this little guy decided to light me up. But it's all good. There's one more in there, definitely. So let's try to let these guys go and get that last one out. Get a look at him.
Oh, there's two more in there.
See ya. I'm just gently touching his tail with this stick, and he's working his way. Here he comes. And he's out. He's out.
Oh.
You got away?
Yeah. he like a log flume. He shot out of there.
Oh, look at him, look at him, look at him. Got him. Largemouth. No! Come on. I'm not sure, guys, but I'm almost 1000% sure that I just saw a snakehead, which is really weird because I've never seen them here. But I know they're below the spillway that connects to this, so it's possible on a heavy rain for them to get up here. But I've definitely never seen them here before, so that's pretty crazy. Can't think what else that would have been if it wasn't a snakehead. Shaped just like it. Something was wrong with his eyeball though. Had like a white eye.
It hit my
Hit it on top, you see that?
Yeah.
There he is. Little largemouth, finally. Came up and hit it on top water.
Take the minnow.
Swing him in. Cool, cool, cool. Oh yeah, he's got it, he's got it, he's running with it. There you go. Little largemouth. Nice. Heck yeah.
Chasing it in. Take him in. Take him in. Fucking crazy size-wise.
There we go, there's something. Running with it. Zooming with it. Got him.
Double largie.
Yeah, that was on a bigger minnow.
Nice and good. Oh, wait too.
Swing me. He's been caught before. Oh, chunky guy. Relocate him.
I think something just came up to the top there.
Yeah, look, he's got it. Got him. Beautiful.
I'm gonna throw it right in there.
Hit it on top water. Awesome. Dropped it right into him. That was awesome. So cool. Swing him in. Swing him in. Beautiful. Good little guy. We're well over 75 fish at this point on the day. We didn't catch anything super crazy, but just in case you missed, we did catch a couple of nice smallmouth and largemouth. So we're gonna keep throwing minnows around, see what else we can get. Nice foam pocket here. The old saying for stream fishing is foam is home. Gonna dunk it in there and see what happens. And there's a hit. Foam is home indeed. No, he got off. What the heck? Drop it right in there. There he goes. There he is. There was a smallmouth in there. Indeed. Got him. Out of the foam.
It's a snakehead.
Where?
It wasn't trying to...
Oh, I see it. Whoa, what? Look at that. He's trying to jump up. Well, it's confirmed for 100% now. There are definitely snakehead in here. Only problem with a spillway like this is they already have so much food, you know? It's like, what are the chances they're gonna hit your minnow with how much other options they have? Well guys, we've had a heck of a day here. I don't know how many fish we caught exactly, but I mean, it was a good number of fish. So we're gonna cast around here a couple more times, and if we don't catch anything, that'll be it. So that the bite right there. So anyway, if we don't catch anything else, that'll be it. Until next time, get out there and enjoy the outdoors. Peace.